Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Welcome back if you are returning. And if you are new to my channel, I review all kinds of products. So hit that subscribe button and feel free to check out my other videos. Today I'm here to kind of demonstrate and show you a LED rope tape lights by Nexillumi. This is a great kit if you want to either add some multicolored lighting underneath your kitchen cabinets, if you want to route them behind your TV. Or another great cool place is if you put them in like in your kitchen underneath the toe kick where they light up the floor. It basically provides you a great ambient light. Where I'm actually going to install these is going to be in my son's room underneath his bunk bed. So you're going to see a video up in the corner that is going to be kind of showing the install process and kind of what it all looks like when it's set up. So let's go over everything you get, because this system, you get a ton of parts and it does a lot. So this is the box it comes in. Pretty straightforward, nothing unique. It is a product that syncs with music. There's a mic on it, so it picks up with the beat of music and the lights can pulsate. So there is an app that you can download, either the Google Play or the Apple Store, which is kind of a cool little feature. But it's not really something I really plan to use. I'm more planning to use it for the ambient light over the pulsating music feature. But that is a cool thing, unique, that makes it special. Okay, so first up, you get a ton of little manuals here. You get warranty cards, a quick start guide, and then of course you get the actual user manual, which you'll probably want to take a look at just to understand everything that the remote can do, which we'll go into next. Here is the giant remote. As you can see, it has a ton of color options. You can make them brighter, dimmer. The on button, you can have the white light, and then obviously there's a lot of the music options. And then down here are a lot of custom options of whether you're wanting them to pulsate fast, slow, various fade, jumping around. So there's a lot of custom features and a lot of things that you can play with. So that's where I was recommending looking through the manual, but you can kind of explore it on your own too. So there's the remote. You're also going to get a bunch of these little clips if you want to for the cord. You're going to get some of these, which are also going to help with the power cord, securing them. So they give you lots of mounting options. Then this is obviously the power adapter, and then this little guy right here is what you're going to plug this into. So it plugs right in here like this, and then this plugs into the wall outlet, and then you're going to have this is the mic right here that will pick up the sound, and then you've got this kind of two options of directions you can go with your lights. And they're very easy to hook up. So you can see we got 4 little prongs here. You just sit here and you plug in the 4 prongs. Make sure the arrows are lined up. I just did it backwards. So once they're plugged in like that, you're good to go. And then you sit there and you just plug this in to an outlet. And then you can see them turning on. So it's that simple. Now, some of the other stuff you're going to get with this kit is you're going to get 2 rolls. So you get a ton of lights. I want to say it was like 60 feet or something like that, but I'll put that down in the description. And on the back of these lights, you'll see this red tape. If you peel this off, it is sticky. So you can just kind of stick them in place. Now, if for whatever reason you take them off and you want to replace it, they give you these 2 rows of these foam double-sided sticky tape, so you can use this too to hold it better. So if you need something more secure, or if it starts to peel on you, you've got this as an option. But that's not everything it includes. So you also, that comes with this kit, is setting it up, is once again another mounting option. You can use these and help secure the tape. So this has got like a little clip here, and then that slides through the tape and covers in place. So that is another mounting option for you. Something I didn't talk about with the tape is it is completely customizable. So when you do your run, if you want to trim it and you don't need the excess, there is various points where you can cut it with scissors and then get rid of the excess. So right here at every one of these little silver parts is where you can cut it and trim it to your custom size. And then finally, some more mounting option stuff. And then there's these two little 90-degree turns. And you basically just pop this out. And then this has got the prong, so it won't work. But when you cut this right here, those little 4 adapters will hit those little prongs right there. You close it, and then you've made your 90-degree turn. Now, they sell more of these separately. And because I'm doing a bed, I'm going to be doing multiple turns. So I went ahead and bought a whole bunch more of these as a separate little kit. So that way I can use them in multiple angles. And you just get a better tight turn when you're using those. So that's basically everything you get with this. Obviously, you've been watching the video in the corner, seen how everything installed and how it was set up. Feel free to hit me up in the comments below if you got any questions. And like I said, I'll include a link to Amazon if you want to check out this product for yourself and see what other people are saying about it. Until the next video, you guys take it easy, and later. You, my friend, are awesome, because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.